working. Okay. All right. Vertical. All right. You have two axles. The smaller one for the smaller tires, of course. The larger one for the bigger tires. Take this one, slide it through here. So this is for the smaller tires. You got to put the smaller tires on first, which I just didn't do. You have washers. You have 6 washers for the smaller tires. Put one on here. So, slide the tire on. Take another washer. Slide it on, like so. Take one of the springs. Slide it on. Take one of these. Slide it on.
What is one of these?
Huh? Oh, the washer, sorry. Okay. So when you take it, take this, and you put it against here like that. And press it in. Meanwhile, there's a hole. I gotta find out where that hole is.
Isn't it going this one?
No, it isn't this one actually. My bad. You take one of the pin, slide through here, go to one. Slide through the hole.
The hole in the bottom.
The hole right here. Yeah, the hole in the bottom. That's
Oh, okay. I got you.
So it's on right there. So we do it again. Take one washer, slide on, tire, slide it on, another washer, slide it on, spring, slide it on, another washer, slide it on. Take another pin. Take a hole right here. Come on, baby. Thank you, George, for holding that.
Yeah, I'm right here.
We're making videos.
We're making videos.
Porn.
Porn. Easy. This is going to my daughter.
Oh. like
to
she doesn't
censor.
know.
Yeah, right?
She ain't innocent now.
This is her granny shopping cart because she lives in Chicago, and she couldn't find one. And she needs it for her groceries, you know. So I got her one at Stater Brothers, but they got to disassemble it so we can ship it. So this is the video on how to reassemble it. So when she gets there, she can get her boyfriend
See the
or
pin
one
right
of her-
here? It goes through the hole, right through the axle, and then you have to press it down there. Hopefully you have a strong man there with you.
Tom from Alabama, where are you?
If you have tools, use like a needle nose or something like that. Get in there. Come on, baby.
You probably got to flip it over, Dave.
No, it was sure easier to
Disassemble.
disassemble this.
You have a rubber hammer?
I know, huh? That would be nice if I did.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, so that's the front
That's the-
wheels.
But then you take.
Hey, yes.
How you doing?
Right.
I was gonna just let you guys know I'm gonna get that lift out of here. Thank you.
Okay.
You want to take me out for a ride or what?
These slide on to the bottom right here.
You gonna get a harness? You wanna go for a ride?
Here. Oh man, I want to go on that thing.
How about a bungee jump? You got one of those?
No, I don't have one of those. It'll probably do it though. But
And the
Oh.
smaller tires are on.
Okay.
All right, sounds good, man.
yeah, because you guys are gonna be here tomorrow.
Right.
It's a perfect day.
Yeah, no problem, man.
But